Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the TDI with alerts for MT4 and MT5. This comprehensive tool combines Bollinger Bands, a moving average and the relative strength index into a single indicator with customizable alerts to identify trends, entry points and market sentiment. In this video you'll see how the TDI components work together, how signals are interpreted and which trading strategies are described. The Traders Dynamic Index, or TDI for short, is a technical analysis tool used by Forex traders to identify potential market trends, entry and exit points, and the overall market sentiment by combining several indicators into one comprehensive tool. It consists of three components: Bollinger Bands representing volatility levels with wider bands indicating higher volatility and contraction suggesting lower volatility. A moving average line, typically a 13-period SMA that smooths out price action, and the relative strength index measuring momentum with values above 70 suggesting overbought conditions and below 30 indicating oversold levels. The TDI with alerts enhances this functionality by sending notifications when specific conditions or patterns occur, helping traders stay informed about potential trading opportunities even when not actively monitoring charts. On the chart, the TDI displays in a separate window with the RSI oscillating between 0 and 100. This green line, which is our RSI price line, Bollinger Bands creating an envelope around the RSI movements, which are these two lines here, Bollinger Band high and Bollinger Band low, and the TDI line and signal line generating crossover signals, which are this gold and red line. When the TDI line is above 50 level, it generally indicates a bullish trend, while a TDI line below 50 suggests a bearish trend, with the slope and angle providing additional insight into trend strength. As you can see here, the RSI price line went above the middle line, the 50 level, indicating a bullish trend here, and in a bearish condition or a bearish trend, it went below the 50 level. A bullish crossover occurs when the TDI line crosses above the signal line, suggesting a potential buy signal, while a bearish crossover occurs when the TDI line crosses below the signal line, indicating a potential sell signal. You can adjust the settings. This RSI period is RSI price, the volatility band or Bollinger Band, RSI price line, and you can also customize the alerts. You can also adjust its colors in the settings to suit your trading style. The TDI with alert is suitable for traders who want a comprehensive tool that combines trend identification, momentum analysis, and volatility confirmation in one indicator with time-saving alert notifications. As you can see in the alert section, the indicator sends signals indicating what the trader should do. Its strengths include clear entry and exit signals, versatility across timeframes and currency pairs, and customizable alerts that reduce the need for constant chart monitoring. However, it can generate false signals, especially during rapid market changes. It also has a lagging nature since it relies on historical price data, and its effectiveness varies depending on market conditions, performing better in trending markets than choppy or sideways environments. It also has a display here which shows the trend, the TDI trend for the current market and at what price. You can download the TDI with alert for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how combining Bollinger Bands, moving average, and RSI with customizable alerts can provide a holistic view of market dynamics and trading opportunities. If you like comprehensive indicators with multiple components and alert functionality, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.